Have you ever caught feelings for me? He's never caught
No, I've caught feelings na,
Malaking no yung ibagsak ni dito.
pwede call a friend? Walang defend. Hi guys, I'm Jairus Aquino.
I'm Nicole Emilio. Hi.
We are we?
Are we? We are.
We are co-actors, we are close friends, we are the world.
Since before, parang super kalog kasi kami.
Yeah.
So we're just...
Especially nung parang nag-start na talaga na mag-work mag-start yung series namin, mas nakilala namin yung isa't isa.
So, kung i-rate nyo how well you guys know each other, ano yung grade?
2? Ay, ang haba. Sorry.
Nagpasa ng 10. Kasi sagot mo mga 8.
I think 10. I think I
Yeah.
could 10
I could
ka ba?
say yeah. I mean, for sure marami pa akong hindi alam. So,
So 9.
9.5?
Ayaw talaga ibigay lahat.
Hindi, 10 yan. 10. And po, una ka.
Okay.
Yours first.
You're supposed to read the question.
Okay. 1 plus 1.
32?
Ito tanong. Kung ang MRT doon nakaharap, pasan ng usog? Joke lang. Do you see me differently now compared to when we first met?
Yes.
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 Why?
Because... Nag-i-explain mo to.
Sige, sorry.
Yes.
Hindi nga masakit, hindi.
Nagulat lang ako. No, it doesn't.
Kasi hindi, kung masakit, alis na natin. Magtanungan na lang tayo.
So I lied.
Yeah, you
That's
lied.
what it means?
Mm.
Yeah, I think I see you the same. Parang... And then I think meron pa rin namang similarities from before. I knew that he was always fun. I knew that we would get along really well. Do I make sense?
Yeah, you make sense.
Medyo nababother pa rin ako sa kamay ko eh. Okay.
Kinakabahan ako. May injury pa naman yung kamay ko. Okay. Ikaw pala. Sorry.
Kung ang hotdog.
Pang game show pa rin yung tanong. Galing mo.
Okay.
Oh, game.
Since we've gotten close as friends, nahirapan ka ba ever to create romantic chemistry with me?
No.
Ang bilis.
Pag yan nagkamali pa, ewan ko na lang talaga. Ganun.
Nungaling.
Hindi, paglalaban ko yan. Hindi ako nahirapan kasi nga parang, sino ba namang hindi kikiligin sa'yo? Diba? Sino ba namang hindi kikiligin sa mga eksena ng ginagawa natin? So, you also is giving. Parang, we had this relationship na, we started kasi as really, really good friends eh. Kumbaga before pa yung mga unang years natin na magkasama, talaga, nag-uusap naman tayo. Hindi lang talaga madalas yung scenes kasi namin together eh. Nung nag-start na talaga kami, na meeting na kami, okay, and then nag-start na lahat ng preparations and all, nung mas nakilala namin yung isa't isa, yun talaga. Parang hindi ako nahirapan mag-build ng chemistry, hindi ako nahirapan mag-build ng connection with you. Kaya sa mga scenes na romantic, walang hindi nakakailang.
Yes.
Kaya ikaw,
Agree na lang ako.
umayos ka naman, please. Next, Mina, no? Oo nga, tayong dalawa lang dito.
Sila.
Kasi naman siyang nakalawa sa atin. Okay, game. Ako ba ang closest friend mo sa industry?
One of. Yes.
Yes? Ipatay tayo dyan.
So, oh shit. Sakit na nung arm ko. Puro light to, no?
It's a yes for me. Umikot.
It's the
Yung judge.
first time na tumama.
Galing. Medyo
okay.
diesel.
Okay,
Nagpapainit
okay.
pa pala siya, guys. Let's not... Kaya nga, huwag tayong mag-judge. Diba? Only judge can God me. So, huwag tayong mag-judge.
Are closures important for you?
Damn! What a question you got there.
So, is
Mhm.
hirap na hirap sagot. Is closure important for you?
I guess yes. Pero kasi may mga bagay na I guess yes.
Wait lang. Pag-isipan mo, I think you'd like to think about this before.
Ito na yata. Dito na siya magiging tama. Hindi, totoo, medyo undecided talaga ako, honestly. Kasi parang there are closures talaga na, yeah, kailangan. Pero if the other party doesn't want to have that kind, hindi niya kaya, you have to understand na rin in a way. Pero ako kasi yung tao na na gusto ko naririnig kahit paano yung side ko. Not to prove a point, but just to be heard. Pero parang now, I'm starting to learn na rin kasi na there are things that's better left unsaid. So, kaya undecided talaga ako. So, maybe I was lying, yeah. Maybe their closures are not important for me anymore.
So, in short, important siya sa'yo.
Kung ako. Pero kung sa ibang tao,
Kasi kanina sabi niya hindi.
kung sa ibang tao,
Lasing
parang
ka na?
hindi na.
Oo.
Siya yung sa ibang tao, yan, hindi importante yan eh. Pero, last blade talaga ang tapang.
Okay. Sabi ka magbasa. Have you ever caught feelings for me? So yung may comments aside.
What kind of feelings?
Ako mag-decide.
Siguro, feelings in terms of being really, really, really good friends talaga. Like, yes. Yeah.
So hindi.
Crazy.
Hindi din, no. It's a no. He's never caught.
No, I've got feelings na, ay,
Malaking no yung ibagsak ni dito. Okay, tapos na po.
Hindi, hindi.
Okay na. Okay lang. Let's wrap this up. Okay lang.
Walang defend.
Okay lang ba?
Pwede call a friend? Walang defend? Hindi. I mean, kasi, it's too early for us to say. Kasi nga, ilang months pa lang kami magkasama na super close kami. But, ang masasabi ko talaga is maganda yung nagiging relationship namin with each other. We really enjoy each other's company. And, we're really there for Para bang? O sige, ako nang mali. Kayo nang tama.
Sariling bangka. Angat mo.
Hindi, totoo naman. I have caught feelings as, you know, a very good friend na alam ko mas magiging ka-close ko and mas magiging better yung relationship. Yeah. Balik natin sa yung tanong. Have you ever caught feelings for me?
Yes!
Oh,
Ang bilis
sige.
sumagot.
Go,
Tingnan
go,
mo.
go, go.
Kukuryente na.
Sige.
Siya.
Oh, it's a tie! It's a tie!
Bakit ang lakas nun?
It's a tie! Kasi alam niya, sobra kang nagsisinungaling. Kaya sabi niya, pwede ba? Tumino ka naman. O di, replay tayo
Okay.
backwards.
Hindi. I think we've got feelings naman in a way that, you know, when you're super comfortable with somebody or you're like really close, lalo na we would do scenes and stuff. There are times na parang, oh, may onteng feelings. I think I'd say yes. Pero no daw. So,
Hindi, let's keep it ganon.
yeah, let's keep it.
Kayo na lang
We'll see. Balik tayo.
Kayo na lang bahala pag napanood niyo na yung series. Right? Sino ba nagla-lie detector? Ikaw o siya? Sana sa'yo na lang ako kumapit, no? Tapos nanginig ka na lang kung mali ako o tama ako.
Okay, ako mag-freestyle.
Question, ha?
Oo.
Bakit man daw?
Sagot. Naisip mo ba iba ang magpo-portray ng Kiera?
No. Kasi ikaw na yung nauna sa akin eh.
Yan na malalaman. Pag to...
I like you now, boy. I'm sorry to like you now, boy.
Maybe because me, I think, hindi naman sa I doubted him. I think because when he was released, it wasn't all positive talaga.
Yeah.
And, you know, we can't really perfect everything. So parang it's so important na mabigyan namin ng justice. And when we were able to start na and stuff, parang hindi na, nawala rin naman yung doubt.
Knowing kung ano yung mga nagawa rin ni Nicole recently, she did a lot of plays, she won Best Actress in a lot of, you know, so parang...
Grabe naman si 20 years.
Bakit?
Uy!
Hindi.
Bakit pinutan mo?
Hindi, huwag mo na sabihin 20 years. Guys, 27 lang ako Hindi mo talaga idadoubt kasi siya rin sa sarili niya, nakita mo that she's really doing her best. Like, kita mo na gusto niya yung ginagawa niya, kaya hindi ko inisip na may iba. I want to thank you for everything, that I appreciate you so much with everything that you do. Happy ako for the both of us and super proud na agad ako sa ating dalawa. Shh. I'll be here for you. If you need anything, nandito lang ako.
Yeah. I just want you to know that I'm very, very proud of what you've been doing for yourself. And I'll always be here for you. Anytime. You're very giving. And I'm sure marami pang mangyayari sa aming dalawa. Baka mag-live siya. Tanong natin, yes? No?
Yes,
Oo,
yes, yan.
Yes,
Well,
yan.
we'll claim it. We're claiming it.
No. If you want to see more of us and a different side of us, yung mas seryoso na, hindi yung ganito na sobrang tropa. Hopefully, kiligin naman kayo sa amin sa show namin kasi iba talaga yung pinapakita namin doon. You guys can see us on Viva One.
Yeah, Viva One.
Yes,
Kasi
and-
sa Viva One, bida ka dito.
Oh, okay, yun ang clip na niya. Yes, and we'll see you guys
See you guys.
yesterday. That's
See
our
you
life.
yesterday. Yeah, see you yesterday,
See you
guys.
yesterday.
And thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes, sir.